India is a service power, but is not a manufacturing power as yet. Manufacturing accounts for about 15% of GDP, and many countries at India's level of development have a bigger manufacturing sector. So the key question is why, what is impeding India's manufacturing growth? And the problem is not our capability. We have some very good companies. Companies like Bharat Forge are world leaders in what they do. We have a fairly robust car manufacturing sector, autos, two-wheelers. So it's not that we don't have the capabilities, but yet we don't seem to have a large manufacturing sector sort of catering to the rest of the world. And I would say the three biggest factors are infrastructure, the regulation, and skills. And all three are going to change dramatically over the next 10 years. On infrastructure, there are enormous new plans to build out infrastructure. As just one example, we have the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, going to link Delhi and Mumbai with a 6-lane highway, high-speed freight trains, freight line, and 9 industrial zones in which land will be acquired, infrastructure created, supply will be assured, and companies can set up in that. So that's one. We will create the infrastructure. It's being built out. That is going to help manufacturing. Second, I think, is regulation. We need to reduce the regulatory burden on firms. There are a number of initiatives underway to do this, and I think in these new industrial zones, there will be experiments at reducing the regulatory burden enough that small and medium enterprises can set up without a huge burden. I think in addition, many government organizations are moving to do more IT, information technology, and enabling those processes. So that will help increase government efficiency and reduce the regulatory burden. Third element is skills. We have a large potential labor force, but they need the right skills. And so a number of, first, higher education, the expansion has been tremendous in recent years. But we're also improving the quality of vocational education of skills as plumbers, as technicians, as electricians. And I think that combination of well-educated engineers, management specialists, and so on, combined with moderately but specialized education in areas like vocations, will help provide the labor force for manufacturing. So each of these we need to do more work on, but the work is underway, and I think in the next 10 years you will see the fruits emerge.